County police!
Over a minute and they respond. So you okay hitting up the look?
Yeah, that's it.
I'm going to provide them cover real quick.
As far as it goes.
Make yourself known, please.
County police! DJ, come out!
Show me your hands up. Keep your hands up. Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop that knife! Put the knife down or I'll shoot you to the beatbag! Drop it! Drop it! Beatbag! 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 Drop it! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop it!
We lost him.
I can't see him.
Behind the door.
Behind the door.
Drop the knife! I will get you again!
Go in there. Hey, open that door. Open that door. Take the door.
Drop the knife!
Taser, guys. Taser. Come on. Taser. Go. Come on.
Drop it! Drop it! I'm gonna tase you!
Drop the knife!
I'm gonna tase you!
Drop the knife!
Drop the knife! Taser! Taser! Taser!
Hit him again! Where's it? I got the knife.
You got the knife?
I got the knife.
I got the taser.
I got. Taser!
Hit him again! I got the knife.
You got the knife?
I got the knife.
I got the taser.
I got.
Someone get a med kit? I got the knife first right over here. Here, where's he hit?
Give me something. Give me something.
I got chest pads. How do you open up this door?
Remember, we gotta reposition him. We gotta reposition him. I need someone to get his head. We gotta reposition him here. Please get him. He's starting to lose consciousness. I gotta reposition him. You have gloves?
I don't have gloves on.
Keep breathing. Hey, keep breathing. Hey.
Why isn't that door opening? I don't. It's like locked from the inside. Can I get the breach kit? Breach kit. Breach kit. Breach kit.
Can one of you help me move his head at least?
Yeah.
I need to sit him up so I can see his wounds. Yeah, throw it here. So,
Mom's covered up.